Google Drive update brings extra features, a new name and a big price cut. Google has announced that Google Drive is going to see huge changes with more storage at a much lower price. This won't affect free users who take advantage of 15 GB storage without having to pay, but if you have a paid subscription plan for more storage space, you will be set for big price cuts. Google's new Google One service is to replace the paid options within Google Drive. At present, if 15 GB is not enough, users can purchase a range of different plans depending on their storage needs. However, as part of Google One, prices are going to drop. If you have a paid Drive storage plan, you'll be upgraded to Google One automatically over the coming months. Pavni Diwanji. Whereas now a 2 TB plan costs £15.99 a month, 2 TB on the new Google One service is going to cost $9.99, which currently works out at a £7.38 monthly payout. Precise details of Google One pricing in the UK are yet to be announced, but as the US price has been halved, we can probably expect a similar discount. In a blog post, Google explained that Google One would offer a simple plan for expanded storage that includes extra benefits to help you get more out of Google. Google says that in the next few months, all current subscribers to premium Google Drive packages will be automatically upgraded as and when Google One becomes available in their area. Pavni Diwanji, Google Vice President, said, "If you have a paid Drive storage plan, you'll be upgraded to Google One automatically over the coming months, starting in the US and then expanding globally." Google One will offer a wider range of storage options too, with the additional storage plans on offer ranging from 100 GB to a huge 30 TB, which means that even the heaviest storage users who might be storing 4K video or high-resolution images, will be catered for. Benefits on offer as part of Google One will include access to over-the-phone customer service for all Google products, access to bonus Google Play credits, and even discounts on hotels which appear in Google searches. Google One will also make it easier for subscribers to share storage plans with family. It will allow up to 5 family members to share a plan, each with their own private storage space. Teasingly, Google announced that more benefits will be announced soon. Google is beginning the rollout of Google One in the US, with the upgrade likely to reach the rest of the world sometime this year. Google One will challenge competitors Amazon, Dropbox, Microsoft, and Apple, as the $99.99 yearly fee, in the US, for 2 TB storage will make Google One one of the cheapest options on the market.